Good morning. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are new. This morning I've got some nail mail from Maniology. I have no idea what's in it. I reached purple tier for the ambassador program. For those who do not know, I am an ambassador with Maniology. I'll put my code somewhere here on the screen. It's McPossum10. It will be in the description below. Save 10% on your order. And I'm excited to see what's in it. I haven't seen anybody else's purple tier. Real quick. Look at these. Oh, gorgeous. I got the Holo Taco. This is Menji. And this is Zyler. They're magnetic cat eye polishes after her cats. And then, look. Cute little. But anyway, so let's get back to this. I did open it. Just so for easy unpacking, since I am filming on my bed. Ooh. It looks like a bunch of goodies. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. The one thing I did know is that I was getting the purple level pin. I didn't film my teal one, but I did reach the teal level. Obviously, I hit purple. Okay. Crystal clear stamper and scraper set. I don't know. Monocle stamper. So, I don't know. I'll unbox that in a minute. And then, ooh. Some cool designs there. And some nail art. Just in time for the holiday season. Creative nail stickers. Okay, I'm going to open the crystal stamper because I'm going to need both hands. And I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I took out the plate so that we could get a good look at it. Maniology M436. And it does have some really cool designs on it. Trying to get it where my flash isn't. And then the stamper, a monocle stamper. Just a round, squishy stamper. And of course, it came with a little scraping pad. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in to see what I got for purple tier. Please remember to use my code the next time you're shopping through Maniology. Again, it's McPossum10. If you like the video, why don't you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see future content, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, think about checking out another one of mine. Alright, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all later. Bye.